Claude right now is probably the best AI model that you can use, and very few people know that Anthropic just released a full learning platform with 13 free certified AI courses taught by the people who actually build Claude. I went through every single one over the past week, and they are honestly some of the best free AI trainings that I have ever seen. So in this video, I'm gonna be breaking down all the 13 courses, what each one teaches, which ones are genuinely worth finishing, and the exact order to take them in depending on what you do for work. The first course is the one that I would recommend to anyone who has never opened Claude before, and it is called Claude 101. This one is gonna walk you through every core feature that almost nobody touches, even people who use Claude every single day. In here, you're gonna get projects, artifacts, skills, connectors, enterprise search, and research mode. The features that actually turn Claude from a chatbot that you talk to into a workspace that you actually build workflows inside. It's broken into short modules that take a few minutes each, and it ends with role-based breakdowns so marketers, writers, analysts, and ops people can see exactly how Claude maps onto their job. The whole thing takes about 1 to 2 hours, is completely free, and you're gonna walk out with a verifiable certificate that you can drop on LinkedIn. The reason it goes first is simple. Almost every other course in the academy assumes that you already know things like, for example, projects and artifacts are. So skipping this one is gonna leave you lost later. If you only take one single course of this entire list and you don't write code, for example, make it this one. Once that you have got the basics down, the path splits. Using Claude to answer questions is one thing. Using it to actually write and zip code is a completely different workflow. Claude Code is Anthropic's command line tool for developers, and there are 2 courses covering it. You start with Claude Code 101 and then move into Claude Code in action. The 101 course is the short intro, how the tool fits into your daily developer workflow, how it reads your code base, how it edits files, and how it runs commands for you. Claude Code in Action is the follow-up, and it has about an hour of content. A lot of people consider it the single highest value course in the entire academy. It's 15 different lectures across real development tasks, SDK concepts, and how Claude Code plugs into the rest of your stack. What makes it stand out is the speed. 1 hour is gonna get you a certificate straight from Anthropic, plus a real grip on running agentic coding workflows. Things like navigating a code base that you have never seen, planning a future before you write it, and handing off longer tasks to Claude while you go work on something else. If you write code for a living or you are learning to, these 2 are the ones that I will take before anything else. Claude Code handles your day-to-day coding. But at some point, most developers want to go a level deeper and build actual applications on top of Claude, which is exactly what the longest course here is for. Building with the Claude API runs over 8 hours and is the deepest course in the whole academy. It's gonna cover the full production toolkit for working with Claude through the API directly. Building and evaluating system prompts, creating custom and external tools, and understanding the agent architectures behind the real applications. If you are building anything that runs Claude in the background, like a chatbot, automations, or AI-powered features, this is the course that teaches you to structure it properly. It is built so you can stop at any point and still walk away with usable skills. But finishing all 8 hours gives you the foundation to ship real applications. This API course is gonna get you building real apps, but the next wall that you're gonna hit is connecting those apps to the rest of the world. And this can be your files, your calendar, your database, wherever your workflow depends on. The Model Context Protocol, or MCP, is the standard that lets Claude talk to standard tools, databases, and services, and Anthropic's Introduction to MCP course is currently the most structured way to learn it. Before this existed, learning MCP meant stitching together blog posts, GitHub searches, and fragments of docs spread across dozens of repos. This course walks you through building MCP servers and clients from the ground up in Python. And it covers 3 core primitives NCP is built on. And this is tools, resources, and prompts. This course runs about 2 to 3 hours, and for developers is the fastest route from I know NCP exists to I can build one myself, which in practice means working out able to hook Claude up to the specific tools and services that you use every day. Alright, so that intro gets you to an NCP server that runs on your machine. Shipping one that other people and other applications can actually depend on is a completely different problem. And that's where the next course is gonna pick up. Model Context Protocol and Advanced Topics that is gonna take you from understanding NCP to deploying it in real production systems. It covers the patterns that don't fit into an intro, like handling, sampling, and notifications, giving your server file system access, and choosing the right transport mechanism depending on whether your server needs to run. It lasts about 3 to 4 hours, and it assumes that you have finished the intro because the concepts compound. Tool design and NCP together make up about 18% of the Claude certified architect exam, so if you are planning to earn that credential, these 2 courses are required. For senior developers building production AI systems, this is the one that hands you the patterns that you need once your server has to handle real traffic, fail gracefully when something breaks, and stay secure with multiple people depending on it. And that's the entire developer track. But Anthropic didn't stop there. The other half of the library is built for people who use AI at work without ever touching code. And the first course in this track is the one that I will give to anyone making decisions about how AI gets used across a company. If you manage a team that uses AI tools, or you are the person deciding how AI gets adopted at your company, the most useful course for you is AI Fluency, Framework, and Foundations. This isn't just a Claude tutorial, it's a thinking framework for working with AI systems effectively, efficiently, ethically, and safely. It's built around what they call the 4 Ds. It's delegation, description, discernment, and diligence. First, we have delegation, which is knowing when to hand a task to AI versus just doing it yourself. Then we have description, which is clearly telling the AI what you actually want. Then discernment, which is judging whether the output is any good before you use it. And then diligence, which is the responsibility you still carry even when AI did most of the work. So if you are a manager or a director or anyone deciding how a team uses AI, this will reshape how you think about adoption more than any other Claude tutorial that you can find. This tutorial takes about 2 to 3 hours, it is free, and because it was released under a Creative Commons license, institutions can adapt it to their own training programs, which is pretty cool. Now, we have the framework course, which is general enough for everyone, but Anthropic built 3 more versions tuned for a specific kind of work. The first one is for anyone whose job involves teaching. AI Fluency for educators is going to be built on faculty, instructional designers, and anyone running an educational program who needs to fold AI into how they teach, and it's going to take the Fluency framework and apply it directly to the work that teachers do. The practical side of using AI in curriculum design, plus the harder questions about what education should be even look like now that the students have access to these tools. Now, this one is also gonna go beyond general AI thinking into classroom-specific stuff, like improving course design, building coherent learning materials, and creating authentic assessments while modeling responsible AI use for students. Anthropic also launched a higher education advisory board alongside these courses, so if you teach, this is a sharper version of the framework course, and probably the one that you'll actually use day to day. And now that's the version for the people at the front of the classroom. But Anthropic also built one for the people in the seats, because using AI as a student raises a completely different set of questions. AI Fluency for students reframes the core framework around learning, career planning, and academic success. It's built to help students work with AI responsibly during their studies, knowing when AI actually helps, and using it as a thinking partner that sharpens learning and career development instead of replacing their own critical thinking and creativity. It runs about 1 to 2 hours, and if you are currently in school or just graduated, this is the version that it will land closest to your real situation. Students got their own version. Teachers got their own. But there is a third group Anthropic built a course for. The people whose actual job is teaching AI fluency as a subject. Teaching AI fluency is specifically for academic faculty, instructional designers, and anyone who leads workshops or classes where AI fluency itself is the subject matter. It's more niche than the other fluency courses because it's not about learning to use AI yourself. It's about teaching AI fluency to other people in an instructor-led setting, which is completely a different skills. It covers how educators use the 4D framework to improve teaching, course design, and assessments, and how to run workshops that actually produce behavior change instead of information that just fades within a week. So if you work in learning or development, run internal training on a company, or teach AI content at any level, this is the one that is going to turn you into someone who can actually teach AI fluency rather than just having it. It's about 1 to 2 hours and it has the same Creative Commons license, so you can adapt it for your own classroom or for your own workshop. And lastly, the final fluency version is the most narrowly targeted course in the whole track because it's built for a sector where AI adoption looks completely different from a regular company. AI Fluency for Nonprofits is a non-profit professionals figuring out how to use AI to increase their organization impact while staying true to their mission. The reason it exists is that nonprofits face different questions than businesses. The goal isn't just efficiency, it's efficiency without compromising the values the organization exists to uphold. It covers AI for grant writing, fundraising, donor communications, program delivery, internal operations, and leadership. It's also about 1 to 2 hours, and if you are not in the non-profit world, most of what it covers is already in the framework course, so you can safely skip it. And that's the entire AI Fluency track, which leaves 2 final courses. And both of these are built for the exact same situation. When your company has already decided to deploy Claude through one of the 2 big Claude platforms. The last 2 are Claude with Amazon Bedrock and Claude with Google Vertex AI. And they are basically parallel versions of the same training for 2 different Claude environments. Both are gonna cover setting up Claude inside the platform, how authentication works, and how the model access works as well, and plugging Claude into existing applications without breaking the surrounding infrastructure. The Bedrock course actually started as an accreditation program for AWS employees before Anthropic released it publicly, and the Vertex course is at the direct equivalent for Google Cloud teams. Each round's about 2 to 3 hours, and the lessons transfer cleanly between them. So if you are still deciding which cloud to deploy Claude on, taking both is gonna give you a fair side-by-side. And if you work in enterprise on AWS or Google Cloud, take whichever matches your stack. For everyone else, these are the 2 safest courses that you can skip in the entire academy. Something I want to mention is that these official courses are genuinely good, but here's the honest limitation. They are theoretical. They teach you the concepts, the frameworks, the 4Ds, the API architecture, but what they don't do is sit next to you and show you the exact steps for the thing that you are actually trying to get done today. And that is the gap that I've been feeling. I write daily free how-to AI guides that skip the theory and just show you what to do. The precise workflows, the prompts, the settings, click by click. No fool, there is no paywall. I'll drop the link to join free below. So if you want the practical version of what we just covered, you can just go join. And also, if you have enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.